fact that this car is always in park. We were talking about.
Yeah.
No lights.
Come on. But
just punched it a couple times. Honda.
Dude, I got the guy that always talks shit about my car to finally say he was impressed with it when we drove out of there. He just told me that today. He's like, dude, I was like so amazed with how that car drove out before you got stuck.
Well, yeah.
He goes, we were sitting there waiting for you to get stuck again and you're just plowing right through it. And I was like, holy fuck, that car is actually a beast.
I can hear it at the exhaust too. Oh, you can hear it up here too. Yeah, dude. Is that just condensation or what is that? Oh shit, that's what that is.
More than likely.
Oh, it's your coolant, dude. Oh shit, man.
Dude,
Good.
it's chock full. Look at that.
Yep.
See it?
I see it. I see it.
Yeah. Dude, I'm glad it didn't soak the fucking filter.
Yeah, that would be gay as fuck. Who the fuck?
Come fight me. Alright.
Sick little Mazda 3.
Huh? Yeah.
You gonna start at that Doge then, or what?
Yeah.
Fuck. Where's the throttle body at? Yeah, so what we're fixing to do today is fix Harley's little idle problem.
Idle air control valve. I have two grounds I need to fix too. This one right up here because that's about to fucking snap off. And then this other one's like right fucking here, I think.
Just go for it.
I thought they said these were 10s. God damn it. Before we do anything electrical, I'll remove the negative cable. No! Go on!
Yeah. Okay then, Spark the electrician.
Yeah. I guess you can call me that. Oh, it's tight. Stupid ass hole.
Alright. We're gonna get all that shit off. Gonna get off the idle air control, and then we'll show you what it looks like with it off. Alright, well he's almost got that off now.
Yeah. Alright. Off. Now just unplug.
Yeah, she does actually look pretty damn clean.
Yeah, it's weird. Alright, everybody. Well, we got it all taken apart, put back on. Broke one bolt, so we might.
Not on the idle air control. We decided to clean the fast
idle, and
Yeah.
went to loosened one bolt and then took the other one all the way out, went to tighten them both back down, and the head snapped off one of them. So we just threw it on how it is, tightened down the other one.
I think it should be fine. It seems pretty tight on there.
As long as it gets us home, that's it's as far as it needs to go.
There's a little O-ring on the inside that we're hoping is sealed up good enough so it doesn't leak coolant everywhere when he turns it on, but we're gonna check for that right now.
Alright, tell me if you see flames. Fucking bail.
Alright, well I'll keep my eye on this. Go for it. It ain't leaking anyway. It still sounds like it's idling around though, huh?
Yeah, it's still at 1,000, but it's cold now, so we might have to let it warm up a bit.
Oh, there was a crack in one of the vacuum lines too.
Yeah.
Fucking gorilla tape that bitch shut for now.
Yeah. The G-spot approved
Did that-
method.
Well, gonna throw that back on and shit, and
Just remember, folks, WD-40 is G-spot approved. And Gorilla Tape, I guess. Get her out real fast.
bleed it out and warm it up, and then hopefully that idle problem is fixed. Much hand idling around really at all.
Gotta look at see if that heater fan's coming on. Alright. Ooh, look at that little bog. Yeah, I'm having it like 200-300 right now.